So hi, this is Oliver from Olivia Care, working here in India with our team of developers. We have innovations for you, and we want to introduce them to you. Those innovations will make your life a lot easier when you submit forms to our system. The first innovation is that when you go to submit a form, you first choose a client, as you can see here, and you go right to the corner here and you go to care notes or to any of the forms that are available. I will start with the clinical notes. When you click on the clinical note, you will first come to this main area where you can see the list of all the clinical notes that are submitted. It first for you to see the previous submissions so that you can see the information. And every time before starting work, you have to check the notes of the previous caregiver. You can see the list here, but it's one thing that is important is to see the details of the submission. If you click on any of those, you can see the submission details. You can even print it in a format that is very, very professional. If you click on the print, it will print it. But we added another feature which is also very professional. We call it an electronic signature. If you are the one who submitted this form, your signature will be at the bottom with the title and the date. It is electronic signature. But now we make it even easier for you to submit new forms. You have some options. You can go, this is the details here, but you can go on the list. You can click on form, it open a form for you to submit your form here. As you can see, this is a form submission here, but you have another option going from the list. You can also click on add new to submit a form, and as you see it goes back to the same form. But we have what can be the most popular part of this innovation. It is a possibility for you to copy a previous submission, and that will make it very easy for you to use a previous form to populate a new form and make the little change that I needed and submit it. So that will make submission of clinical notes, um, assessment, or anything that you do or flow sheet very fast, like a snap. So what you have to do is to choose any of the forms that you submitted previously. You cannot copy the form submitted by somebody else. There's a copyright protection on that. So you have to look one of your form and you click on this icon here to copy the previous form. And when you do that, it just opens the browser with the previous information there. You just have to change the date if you want to, and you have to change the time, which is also something that you can do. Sometime it default to any of the times, and then you can see everything looks good. If you do the same shift, it will same hour. The information you can make some later change. For example, I can add 01 here. That will be anything I want to add, and then you click on submit. That is all what you have to do. And when you submit, as you can see, the form is there here on top. Very easy. These are just some of the changes that I want to introduce to you, and then there are more to come from our team here in India. We have Sandeep, who is our team leader here, and two of um, our developer here, and they are all saved a big hi from India. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.